All right, gang. So when it comes to options trading, it's important to understand that there are only two types of options. What are they? Well, we have calls and then we have puts. Calls and puts. As we just took a look at the options chain, you can see on the left side we have calls, and on the right side we have puts. These are the two options types that we'll be dealing with. Now, there's a general understanding of how these work. Calls are bullish. Puts are bearish. What does that mean? So if an investor buys a call, then it's a general assumption that he is long the stock. He's expecting for the stock to go up in value, but instead of playing the stocks, he's going to play the call options. He'll buy a call option, and as the stock moves up, the call option will move up with it. This is bullish. Now, on the put side, if an investor buys a put, then he's expecting the stock to go down in value, and so he will purchase a put, and as the stock falls in value, the put option contract will make him money. So you'll make money by actually buying the put. Now, if you were to exercise your rights on these contracts, on the call side, you'll be able to, buy the stock. You have the right to buy the stock at, on the call side if you're buying. And if you're actually buying a put, then you have the right to actually sell a stock position, which is shorting a stock. So it may be a little confusing if you're not understanding how shorting works with stocks, but you have the right to do it. But remember, the general theme that what we're doing is that we have no intention on exercising our rights at all. But just so you can understand how all these moving parts are working, and the way that we're going to be using them is just a way so that we can make money. It's a more efficient use of our capital to trade options versus stocks. And we'll be using calls, we'll be using puts, and there's going to be a combination of calls and puts, which make greater lines where it's not so bullish or bearish. We have neutral strategy. We have all kinds of strategies that we can use. But the general theme is that if you're buying calls, then you're long the stock. If you're buying puts, then you're short the stock. All right. So hopefully that sticks. We'll catch you guys in the next class. Peace.